everyone turns to see this beautiful lady who's walking around with me. And then she asks me,
we are tasting new chips today. It's called Moscow potato. I decided to to try them instead of Lay's because I'm so fed up with Lay's, honestly. So let's taste it. It is with green onion. Not bad. I'm not disappointed. I'm satisfied with them. This, guys, is my sketch today, and it's wrong because I unfortunately have made it upside down, so I need to erase everything carefully because this is black paint and it can be erased too, so I should be very careful. I will turn it upside down and draw this again. Last year I used a glass jar for my daily cold drinks. I made cold coffee, iced coffee at home, and I poured everything into a glass jar. So now I'm looking for a new plastic glass which will be reusable to make coffee myself every day, not to buy it, because this year iced coffee costs about 350 rubles, which is quite expensive. You know, guys, I hate such streets, but at the same time I love them so much because they remind me of my childhood. When I was a kid, we walked through such markets with my grandma and my younger sister. And I hate them too because they are so chaotic. These are the additional cases for your baggage. We wanted to test them and put some plastic glasses into them, but we didn't buy any plastic glasses today. They are not available right now, so Nikita is trying to hide these what is called these cases. The situation is the following, guys. We came literally to the field. It's an open space and it's supposed to be sunny and not rainy, not windy all day, but the weather is completely opposite to it. It's rainy right now. I'm hiding inside the car, and today the astronomical event is going to happen, but you know, it's not possible to even stand the telescopes in order they stand steadily because of the wind, and the sky is not clear, so you can't see anything right now. And actually we came here to earn money on our coffee bus, but I don't see many people here, only about 10 cars and about 20 people. So it was supposed that here will be about 200 people. So we will see, you know, it happens sometimes. So we ended up with a very good weather and with clear sky, and it means that tonight we are watching some stars in the sky, and we are enjoying the weather and beautiful landscapes.